Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, checking in on oil daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. Just a reminder that we have the EIA inventory report tomorrow because of the holiday. So a little bit different usually today. We have normal healthy consolidation occurring on the daily time frame. We have confirmed the bearish reversal spinning top candlestick. We have the 10-day moving average support coming up and approaching $50. And it's normal and healthy again at this point, decreasing bearish volume and potentially a bull flag depending on how the consolidation goes. But just want to be aware that the bears are currently in control, but the long-term trend certainly belongs to the bulls on the daily time frame, and it belongs to the bears on the weekly time frame until we close above $50. And we're right there right now. We have rejected from $50 many times, including most recently last week. And if we close below that level again this week, we will see a big bearish reversal candlestick with a long upper wick and an inverted hammer or a doji. So it's a very important inventory report. And if we don't see a bullish reaction, we are likely to pull back into the upper $40 range. And I'll be looking at this 100 week in the middle Bollinger Band around $46, $47. So looking at oil on the hourly, we've had a very clear pullback of lower highs and lower lows. And it looks like we're forming a bear flag right now after a big dump. We had 3 big red candlesticks, and the bear flag would be a parallel trend, a little bounce before further downside. It's a continuation pattern, and it's going to be a battle at $50. We can see the bulls already defended this a couple times. Bulls are certainly aware of that they need to hold this $50 level into the end of the day Friday. So we've got a battle at 50, but if we lose that level, next support I'm looking down at is all the way down at 49.16. So there is some downside potential. The RSI saw that little bounce just above 30. It's currently trading at about 34. So if we were to lose that $50 level, I don't think we'd see a huge dump right out of the gate because that RSI would be fairly oversold already. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see that big red candlestick and still holding the longer term higher lows. We've broken some of those shorter term higher lows, but if we break 49.16, it will be very significant for the longer term 4-hour trend. So keeping an eye overnight whether this is going to be a bear flag or not. There is a battle at $50 brewing, and so far the bulls won the first battle today. We've got another one coming tomorrow, it appears, and the high on this bounce is 50.41 and 50.35. So break above those levels tomorrow, and the bulls will breathe a sigh of relief because $50 will have held at least this time around. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check in. Lots of volatility anticipated tomorrow and a battle for $50 with the inventory report going to be the main factor. We'll check how it goes tomorrow. See you then. Have a great night.